If your Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet is not charging when it's plugged in, don't worry. This is what you can do in that situation. Now, if you have already plugged in and out the device repeatedly and you are sure the USB and Type-C both sides are inserted properly, but it's still not charging, then go to the next part. If you think your FireTab's battery is drained and dead for a while, just go ahead, charge it overnight without any interruption. If it's still not charging and if you're using the USB-C cable and adapter that came with the device, use another device to check if your charger is still functional. If you think one of these are not working properly, change the cable. You can use a different adapter as well, just make sure the replacement adapter has similar voltage capacity. Now, if you're using a third-party power socket, just go ahead, leave it and use the direct wall source to charge your device. Also, make sure the charging port is clean enough. Last but not the least, while charging, make sure to place the device at a hard surface. Also, in this situation, we recommend you not to charge your FireTab either from a laptop or from the car power. If everything is okay, your device should start charging immediately. If it's not, just go ahead, press and hold the power button and force shut down your device. After that, go ahead and turn on your FireTab again. This will solve minor glitches. Your not charging problem should be solved after that. If your device is still not charging, please contact Amazon support and talk to them and check if it's a hardware issue or not. And please let us know if this video could solve your problem. Thanks a lot and take care.